Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly show you the new addition in the platform. It's about viewing and learning GitHub workflow basics of EpicLaunchX using interactive notebook. Now, what does it mean? If you go to any project and from the project list, for example, we go to the Hello World project, there is a new button here. It's called View GitHub Workflow Basics Interactive Notebook. When you click it, it will run a Marimo notebook, interactive notebook for us. And in this notebook, the name of this is Welcome to EpicLaunchX GitHub Workflow Basics. And this interactive notebook will teach you essential GitHub practices you need to succeed on our platform. So basically, it's an interactively teaching notebook within each project. So whenever you go project, there's a button, you click and it will fire a notebook. So let's explore what we have in this notebook. So there's a quick reference table about branch naming, about how the commit message should look like, about running, formatting, linting code, and type checking, and security check, and much more. And then there is a branch naming convention. We try to teach you that we expect in EpicLaunchX when you open your pull request to have such a pattern in your branch. So it's a branch naming convention. And then there is a practice here. So what you can do is try to practice here. Imagine that this is like launch 1 and this is a task 12. And if you click validate, then yeah, this is a valid branch name. If you do a mistake, the invalid branch name. So you can play around in this notebook to understand what kind of pattern we have. Then, for example, for launch 2 and task 12, again, it's valid. So you can check it here. What about pull requests? So pull request body requirements, it requires clauses, it requires conventional commit format in PR title, and then it requires a proper description. They will give an example PR name, then example PR body. So what does it mean here? That we try to close first issue or first task in the list. Again, there's a text area for interactive or testing it. Let's imagine that we are going to close task or GitHub issue ID 12, and then we add the PR description. So, for example, for the hello world, it can be add welcome function to return string as described in requirements. So basically, we try to also teach these practices of adding a description, having a proper pull request body. Then there can be a question from the users that, okay, what is a conventional commit message and what is the format of it? So we have these tabs, so you can go for what is feature, fix, test, for example. Test is all about increasing the test coverage. If you updated the documentation, then it goes for the docs commit. If you did a refactor, then you need to put this style of commit message. If it's CI, if it's core, so core something that's negligible. I mean, doesn't change anything in the code base, for example, right? And this is about the conventional commit message. How about conventional PR title? They look similar, but in PR title, you can do a bit more. So you can add more context. You can choose what to add. But again, it must be the conventional as well. So we have conventional commit message. We have conventional PR title. And then after you add this 12 and PR description, it will be shown here as a clauses 12, and then your description goes here. So basically, we try to mimic the pull request opening and passing the review cycle within this interactive notebook. So give it a try, and then if it helps, helps you to proceed, just ping us. If it's not, then again, ping us. We need feedback from you. That's it. Thank you for your attention. See you. Bye bye.